In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create spaced repetition flashcards in Logseq. First, open Logseq on your computer and head to the page or daily journal where you want your study material to live. If you're starting fresh, create a new page with a clear name so you can find it later. Keep your notes in small, focused blocks. That makes turning them into cards far easier and keeps your review sessions efficient. Next, type in your details for the card content. A simple structure works best. Write a clear question on one line, then put the answer on the next line or as a short child block below it. Aim for one fact or concept per card. If your answer is more than a sentence or two, consider splitting it into multiple cards so each review feels quick and focused. Trim away extra words, focus on keywords, and add just enough context to make the idea memorable. If you're copying from existing notes, rewrite them into a question and answer format. That small effort dramatically improves recall during reviews. Now, select the details you want to turn into a flashcard. In Logseq, make sure you're selecting the specific block that contains your question and answer, not an entire section of unrelated notes. Hover over the bullet to confirm you have the right block. This helps Logseq attach the flashcard properties exactly where you need them. With the correct block selected, right-click on it to open the context menu. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same. This menu is the quickest way to access actions for that block without changing your note structure. From the context menu, click on Make a Flashcard. Logseq will convert the selected block into a card and attach the spaced repetition metadata behind the scenes. This marks it for review and places it into the scheduling system, so you'll see it again at the right intervals. If you need to tweak the wording later, just edit the text directly. Your changes will carry over to the card. If you decide a block shouldn't be a card anymore, use the same menu to remove the flashcard status. Repeat this process for each concept you want to remember. Keep your cards consistent, concise, and clear. Over time, a collection of small, well-written cards will compound your learning, and Logseq scheduling will surface them when it's time to reinforce your memory. That's all you need to create spaced repetition flashcards in Logseq. Simple, reliable, and built right into your notes.